How to see connected Wi-Fi password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to see connected Wi-Fi password. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you simply need to navigate to the settings application on your device. Navigate to Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have toggle on Wi-Fi option and connect it to any internet. Now tap on the eye icon next to the connected Wi-Fi. Here you will see the option of share at top right. You simply need to select that and confirm your biometrics. Now here you can easily see both the Wi-Fi and the QR code of this Wi-Fi. You can enter the password of this Wi-Fi and connect it, or you can simply scan with the help of this QR and then connect to this Wi-Fi. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.